Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another episode of The Shauna Show. The Shauna Show. Jealousy is a disease, die slow. Hey guys, so today I'm back with a quick makeup tutorial. This tutorial is how to do a 10 to 15 minute makeup look. If you're in a rush and you have to go somewhere last minute and you have to do a quick beat, this is the video for you. I'm gonna show you how to beat your face in a snap. Not that extra baking, contouring, and all that extra stuff, but you're gonna still come out cute, honey. So, are you guys ready? Let's dive right into it. So, of course, you guys know I'm still on my Marc Jacobs Shameless foundation. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my hands right here, and take my little beauty blender right here, and just. It's very light coverage. This is why I love this makeup. If you have good skin underneath your makeup, this will be, you will love this foundation. If your skin needs a little bit more coverage, then it might not be the foundation for you. After that, I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal while I highlight. So. Okay guys, so I think that's blended enough. And of course, it's a quick beat. It's not gonna be very extravagant. It's gonna be, you know, something cute. So I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier setting powder. Laura Mercier. And I'm not gonna bake. I don't normally bake anyways. That gives you flashback. For me, if you like to bake, then that's fine. So I'm just putting some on the brush, dust off the excess, and set your concealer with the powder. And now we're just gonna do my eyebrows. You can either use pencil or you can use the gel. I normally use the gel. So let's go ahead and gel my brows. Honestly, if you want to cut this, I said 10 to 15 minutes makeup tutorial because it can literally be 10 or 15 minutes. Like if I wanted it to be 10 minutes, I won't even use my gel dip brow. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow in dark brown, and I use this little brush from MAC to apply it. Just trace your natural brow. You're not doing anything extra, at least not yet. Just trace your natural brow. I'm gonna use the pencil end. Oh, this pencil is from NYX. It's a pencil that I use on a daily basis. I used to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil, but for everyday pencil, you don't have to use such an expensive pencil. This is cheaper. I already have the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow for when you're going out or you want a more detailed face. For something every day, you're going to work and you want to fill in your brows, something like this is fine. I think this is $10. Yes, hunty. So I'm gonna take the pencil, the angled side. I'm gonna stroke up and make like little hair strokes in the front. So once that's done, we're not wasting any time, guys. I'm gonna take my concealer, my LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can find these at Ulta. You can find these at Beauty Supply Store. Again, they're not expensive, very reasonable products. And I have another angle brush. It's a little bigger than the other one to clean up my brows. once you clean up, you use the excess product and just stroke up away from your brow, and the lower part you stroke down. And the trick with this is, people say use a concealer that's a shade lighter than your complexion. I don't recommend that. Your concealer should match. This way, when you clean up your brows, the top and the bottom is not standing out like you didn't blend in your brows, your brow line. Like, that's not cute. So now we're gonna do light contour. Fenty Beauty. So the dark one, the truffle, I'm taking for contouring my nose. One line, one line. Taking forever. So blend the nose, blend it out really good. So that's that. I'm literally finished contouring already. That's it. That's it, believe it or not. I'm gonna take my MAC pressed powder in dark, put some on my brush, and just go ahead and blend out that contour, because you don't want the contour to be sitting on top of your face. It should be one, you know what I mean? And you don't need a lot of powder either, just a little to set the contour. That's it. That's it. So guys, that's done. I'm gonna take my Sephora powder, also in dark, but this is darker than the matte dark. I know they're both darks, but this is darker. I'm gonna take that and bronze up my contour area. So just bronze that up really quick, because we didn't do a deep contour, remember? So I'm gonna bronze this up really quick also. Cut my cheeks. Okay. And go over my nose contour. And bronze it up. See, one side is done. And this is just from powder. That's it. And take the brush and go into your crease. Remember, we're not doing eyeshadows, but we want to give our eyes some depth. So use the same powder from your contour and go into the crease. Go back for your same stippling brush. I didn't put any extra powder on it. Whatever is on, just gonna have to set that. That's it. And my face is basically done. I'm just gonna get my Tarte blush. It's my favorite blush, guys. I think I use this on every single tutorial. And it was a sample from Sephora. I didn't even buy the full size yet. Smile and give your cheek plum some color. Brush it up. Color. My face is basically done. I just need to go put my lash on and put my eyeliner on. That's really it. Before I do that, you know I have issues with putting on my lash here, guys. Like, I still ain't learned yet. I'm just gonna prep my lashes for the falsies with my Better Than Sex mascara. I try not to do my under eyelash until I get my falsies on, because sometimes the glue will stick to your bottom lash and you'll be like, ugh. This is a light lash. It's not very dramatic. It's Hypnotic and it's from Morphe. Hypnotic lash from Morphe. I'm gonna apply some glue to it and try to put it on and come back and finish up. All right, so I applied some glue to my lashes. They're drying. In the real world, I will already have the glue on the lash so they can dry. But now I'm gonna take this NYX liquid eyeliner and make a wing line so we can give some kind of depth to our eyes, because we didn't do anything as far as eyeshadow goes. So this should work. So make your wing first. Once you make your wing, you're gonna go back in and connect it. See? So I just went on there with the angled brush and just clean up where I messed up at. This part is not always necessary, only if you make a mistake, and normally I put it on fine. Normally I have no issues doing it. Okay guys, so we're almost done. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my under eye mascara. This is the Hourglass, and this is the Better Than Sex, my two faves. They work very similar, but they have a little differences that I like in both of them. That's why I use both. So that's that. I'm basically done. I'm just gonna set my face with some setting spray. I'm gonna apply a little bit of Soft and Gentle. I'm not gonna do the extra highlights and stuff. This finishing spray from NYX I use for like my regular basic makeup looks. After that, I'm gonna take the MAC Soft and Gentle. I'm not doing crazy highlights. The Soft and Gentle is literally soft and gentle. And a little bit on my cheeks. And what I can do is wet my brush with the spray. Which I do most times anyways, but I'm gonna do it now too. And just give your cheeks a little oomph. It's not the regular highlights where it's gonna be like in your face, like glow to the gods. It's gonna give you a soft and gentle glow. Because I'm not wearing any eyeshadow, what I normally do, guys, put a little bit over my eyes. Yes, I'm done. My face is done. Once my face is done, I drag my clothes on, I'm ready. So for this look, I'm not gonna do lipstick. I'm gonna do lip gloss. I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. I'm not sure which color to use. Let's see this pinkish nude. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses. Love them. I also love NYX lip glosses, and I also love Gal Cosmetics. She have some bomb lip gloss. Hey, Grace Ann. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the gold over it just to see what it looks like. Not bad at all. Okay guys, so that's my 10 to 15 minutes makeup look. It's very quick, it's very easy. Trust me, it's literally 10 to 15 minutes. You can make it 10 minutes by cutting a few corners and you still be on time and looking cute. So this is the final product. I hope you walk away feeling inspired per usual. Remember, for inspiration, come here to the Shauna Show. Check me out. If you're not subscribed as yet, please go ahead and hit subscribe. It's easy. Just click the button and you're subscribed. So until next time, lovies. Mwah.